Hi everyone, my name is Jack, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you view memos as a relative on your Tapestry account. Firstly, whether or not you receive memos would be up to the setting, but if they have chosen to use the memos feature, you can access them through the browser version of Tapestry. They aren't available on the app. So, if you're logged into the browser version of Tapestry, you should be able to see the memos button in the taskbar at the top. If you click that, you'll be able to see the memos that are available to you. As you can see, I've got one here reminding me to bring some wellies. If you click into the memo, you can see you can also make a comment, but there is a small warning here that says, please note that memos may be viewed by relatives of other children. So if other relatives are tagged in this memo as well, and you make a comment, that comment will be visible to everyone else that's tagged in the memo. So just keep that in mind. If you're wondering how you are notified about memos, and the school has allowed the permission for you to receive notifications about your account, you can check your notification preferences from here. Click your username in the top right hand corner and select Edit Preferences, and from here you can see Change Notification Preferences. This page will show you how you're notified about everything that happens on your account. For memos, it's this one here, Memo Published. As you can see, I have it set to daily email. If I wanted it to be a different kind of setting, I can use the drop down menu there. Internal will just give me a little bell icon notification within Tapestry. Immediate email will send me an email immediately. Daily email will come at once every day, and weekly email will come at some point in the week. If you're happy with all those preferences, just click Save and that will be updated for you. And that's it. That's how you view memos on your Tapestry account. I've been Jack and I hope this has been helpful.